Hello, hello, Ozzy do our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign to say hands up. Dizzy, Dazzy, Daz. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hands up. Hello, hello, Ozzy do deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign to show. Hands up. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Ozzy and I are very busy today. We're planning our holiday. We love going places together, don't we, Ozzy? Look at all the places we've been.
Hands up. Hands up.
We had so much fun, didn't we, Ozzy? It's time for another holiday. But we can't go today because we've more deliveries to make.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling. Where are we making our deliveries today?
Today, I need you to deliver some things to the seaside.
The seaside? I love the seaside.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a bucket, a spade, and ice cream to the seaside.
Oh, it's so exciting.
You are a great delivery man, Joe. You're always happy to deliver.
Thank you, Aisling. That's my job.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. My name is Kian.
Cian will help you with your deliveries. He is waiting with Claire, the lifeguard.
Great. Well, here we are. Now, where are the lifeguards? No, can't see them anywhere. Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, Joe.
I'm Claire.
Hi, Kian.
Hello, Cian. We need to make our deliveries. Will you help us?
Yes.
Great, let's go. Oh, I forgot. What was on the list?
Perfect.
Ah, yes, I'll check my Dizzy Deliveries device. Yes, a bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Perfect.
What do you need them for?
Let me show you. Come on.
Some people like to swim in the sea, but I like to splash in it!
Let's love sign. C. C. U sign. C. Good. C.
Joe! Tian! Come back. Deliveries.
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Joe. Bye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, hurry back up.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Let's love sign. Sand. Sand. U sign. Sand. Good. Sand.
No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sandcastle.
Hands up. Hands up.
I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Let's love sign. Ice cream. Ice cream. U sign. ice cream. Good. Ice cream.
Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh, wait here! Ice cream! Have some ice cream.
Ciao!
We've had a great day. Time to go home. Well, thank you for all your help.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye, Cat.